Hi guys, I recently saw a post about everything we do in our own image. Just look at this. I asked AI how to make a bird feeder. He drew the answer but used centimeters and meters. I had some wood in storage room. I took it and went to my garage. The first thing I did was mark the cutting lines on the pieces. Before cutting, put on glasses and gloves. I didn't have gloves. The gable roof supports need to be cut at a 45-degree angle. This want to be in a video, but I'll have to cut it again. And I had some more extra bars. Attach the edge to the base so that the seeds don't spill out. Next, I secured the base of the roof, the base of the feeder. Try on the roof. Next, I put the roof parts together. Just saying, please don't ask me how I put the roof and support together. It was tough. Blowing sawdust. You can paint the feeder or just varnish it or do nothing, as you wish. Don't forget to clean up and put away all the tools after any work. Put a bird feeder on the backyard. Wow! Wow! This video not about the bird feeder and how to make it one. This video about how we change and our environment changed too. Yes, this feeder is not perfect, but it has become better, as have we.